Hello everybody, right, I'm back. Right, I've got the iPhone. That's the case that it's on. At the moment it's saying hello. It's got all the foreign names on it. We want English, so I'm going to swipe up. I've clicked English. You can't really see it, can you? United Kingdom. Can you see it? I'm going to press United Kingdom, setting up language. Set up manually, I think. Where's the Wi-Fi? That one there. I'm going to put the Wi-Fi in there. I'm going to pause you here while I put that in. Right, I've done that. And then I press next. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So it's really poor. It's really heavy. Continue. Face ID. This is what I've been waiting for. Well, you can see an awkward face now. So let's just that Face ID. Right, let's give it a go. Right, continue. Let's get started. Continue. Face ID is now set up. Halfway there, guys. Continue. Right, I'm going to go for passcode options. 1993. Use anyway. Now I'll type that in. And I'll wait there. I've got an idea. Sorry about this, guys.